Okay, question number 1 says, the table shows some ordered pairs that belong to a quadratic function h. So this table, this is my x's and this is my y's. So if you want to, whenever you see it, if you want to say that's x, that's y, you always start from the top to the bottom and it goes in order x, y. Okay, we're going to put this table in Desmos to see what those points are. And then it says, what is the x value of the vertex of h? Now remember, vertex is the minimum or the maximum of a quadratic. So we're going to be looking for that. And I'll show you in a little bit how you can tell on the table, but we can put this table in Desmos. Let me go ahead and change this. And okay, so in Desmos, we're going to add a table. And we're going to put our x numbers were -4, enter, -2, enter, 0, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, and 6. Okay, and then the y, which was my h of x, was 41, enter, 17, enter. And notice that my points are going to start plotting. Okay, 1, enter, -7, enter, -8, enter, -7, enter, and 1. Okay, so this is a quadratic, and it goes like this. So if I zoom in, this is the vertex right there. Okay, it's the minimum point. It's where it curves. Okay, the curving part of it. So they're asking for the x value. Okay, so let's go look again. The x value of the vertex. This was my vertex. When it curved, the bottom point right there was at 3, -8. And it's asking only for the x part of it. So it would be the 3. Okay? Now, you can also tell because look at the -7 repeats and the 1 repeats. So it's the one in the middle that is not repeating. That would be the vertex. Okay? So the x value of it is just a 3.